every morning, you grab it without thinking. You fill it with coffee, tea, cocoa, maybe even instant noodles. It's your faithful sidekick. The ceramic mug. But have you ever stopped mid-sip and wondered how this thing is actually made? From raw clay to glossy finish, every mug goes through an incredible transformation, one that combines chemistry, craftsmanship, and a bit of fire, literally. Today, we're stepping inside a mug factory to watch the process unfold, step by step, as ordinary clay becomes the vessel that kickstarts billions of mornings around the world. So grab your drink, settle in, and let's see how your favorite mug is born. It all starts with the raw materials: clay, quartz, and feldspar, the holy trinity of ceramic making. The raw clay arrives in large chunks, straight from quarries, each piece carrying the weight of centuries of geological pressure. Workers load it into a grinding mill, a massive steel drum lined with heavy ceramic balls. As the drum spins, those balls tumble and collide, crushing and pulverizing the clay into a fine, silky powder that's soft to the touch. This powder doesn't look like much yet, but it's the foundation of every mug you've ever held. To this, the factory adds quartz for strength, feldspar for a smooth melt during firing, and plenty of water to bind it all together. The ingredients are mixed in a slurry tank for nearly 15 hours, forming a thick, creamy paste known as clay slip. This long blending time is crucial. It ensures every particle is perfectly suspended, giving the final mug its signature density, smooth texture, and resilience. Once the mixture reaches the right consistency, it flows into molding tubes. Think of them as giant extruders, where the slip is shaped into long, solid logs. These logs are then cut into precise portions, each carefully weighed and tested for moisture content to guarantee uniformity. Each piece will soon become the body of a mug. From raw stone to refined clay, the first transformation is complete. The earth itself now ready to take shape as your favorite coffee companion. Now it's time to give that clay a shape. Each clay portion, roughly the size of a small dough disc, is dropped into a one-time use plaster mold. These molds are made with extreme precision, ensuring consistent shape, thickness, and volume across thousands of mugs. A hydraulic press pushes the clay into every curve and contour of the mold. In seconds, the soft clay disc transforms into the recognizable form of a mug, cylindrical, smooth, and hollow. Once molded, the clay needs to rest and dry just enough for the shape to hold. Then, a skilled worker removes the mug body by hand, carefully separating it from the plaster without warping or cracking the delicate form. What comes out doesn't look finished yet. It's pale, matte, and fragile. But the skeleton of your morning companion is officially complete. What's a mug without its handle? While the main body takes shape, handles are created separately using smaller molds filled with the same clay slip. Once dried to the right firmness, these handles are carefully released from their molds. Before attachment, each handle gets dipped into slip, the liquid clay mixture that acts as a natural adhesive. Then, with steady hands, workers attach the handle to the mug body, blending the seam until it's perfectly smooth. This process looks simple, but it's a true art. The handle must be positioned at just the right height and angle for balance, and the join has to be flawless. Too little slip, and the handle pops off during firing. Too much, and it leaves a visible ridge. It's all about the perfect bond, one that can withstand years of hot coffee refills. Once the handle is secured, it's time for a bit of detail work. Each mug is inspected and refined by hand. Technicians use fine sponges and sculpting tools to remove any excess clay, smooth out seams, and erase fingerprints left during molding. They rinse off dust and gently polish the surface with water, giving the mug a silky finish. This stage might look like simple cleaning, but it's vital. Any imperfection left now will show up tenfold after firing and glazing. At this point, the mug is called greenware. It's formed and detailed, but still raw and fragile. If you tapped it, it would crumble. The next steps will give it the hardness and durability we associate with ceramics. Now for the fun part, color and gloss. Each mug goes through glazing, a process that not only decorates but also waterproofs and strengthens the surface. Factories use a few different methods: dipping, spraying, or hand painting. For simple designs, mugs are dipped entirely into a liquid glaze bath, a smooth mixture of minerals, silica, and metal oxides that will later melt into glass. The rims are wiped clean to prevent sticking during firing. For more intricate designs, workers hand paint different colors or apply special coatings inside and out. Some mugs even get their rims lined with metallic pigments like gold or platinum. Every glaze application is done by hand, ensuring even coverage and a personal touch that machines just can't match. Once glazed, the mugs are set aside to dry for at least 12 hours, giving the coating time to settle before it faces the heat. Now comes the dramatic transformation: firing. Rows of glazed mugs are loaded onto long steel racks and placed onto a kiln conveyor system, essentially a slow-moving tunnel through a massive oven inside. Temperatures soar to around 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit, 1,200 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt rock. As the mugs travel through the kiln, magic happens. The clay hardens into stone, the glaze liquefies into a glossy glass shell, and the two fuse together in a permanent bond. This process takes several hours from start to finish. By the time the mugs roll out the other end, they're solid, strong, and ringing with that distinct ceramic clink. That's the sound of success. Not every mug is destined to stay plain white. In many factories, this is where mugs get their finishing personality. Custom logos, slogans, or artwork that turn a simple vessel into something uniquely yours. It could be a coffee shop emblem, a company brand, a cheeky quote, or that festive snowflake pattern you pull out every winter. To apply these designs, technicians use a process called decal printing. Intricate images are first printed onto special transfer sheets using heat-resistant inks. Each decal is carefully soaked, peeled, and positioned by hand onto the smooth ceramic surface. Once perfectly aligned, the mug is coated with a thin, clear overglaze that locks the artwork in place. The mugs then go back into the kiln for a second, lower temperature firing, where the design fuses permanently into the glaze, creating a finish that won't scratch or fade, even after years of dishwashing. This is the final touch that gives every mug its identity, transforming factory-made clay into something personal, recognizable, and sometimes even collectible. Before any mug leaves the factory, it goes through quality control. Inspectors tap each piece lightly, listening for a clear ring, a sign of a flawless body with no cracks or voids. They check the glaze for bubbles, runs, and pinholes, and ensure the handle alignment is perfect. Only the best pieces move on to packaging. Automated machines then wrap the mugs in protective padding, stack them into cardboard boxes, seal, label, and ship them out. Thousands of cups heading to cafes, kitchens, and offices all over the world. The rest? Recycled, crushed, and remilled back into raw material. Nothing goes to waste, and that's it. Your humble ceramic mug is finally ready for its first pour. Smooth, glossy, and strong, it's waiting to be filled with the warmth of your favorite drink. But before you take that next sip, take a second to think about what went into it. Earth, ground into a fine powder and refined with care. Water, mixed and molded by human hands to give it form. Fire, burning hotter than lava, transforming fragile clay into stone. And craftsmanship, generations of skill and patience, passed down to create something you'll hold every single day without a second thought. It's a simple object, sure, but in its simplicity lies an incredible story, one of art, science, and human creativity working in perfect harmony. Every mug is a small masterpiece of balance, nature shaped by precision, tradition refined by technology, and utility elevated to quiet beauty. So the next time you start your morning routine, remember, there's a little bit of earth, fire, and history in every sip. So next time you wrap your hands around a warm mug of coffee or tea, take a second to appreciate the journey it's been on. From a lump of clay to a smooth ceramic masterpiece, it's proof that even the most ordinary things around us are anything but ordinary. If you enjoyed this look inside the world of ceramics, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves behind-the-scenes factory stories. What should we uncover next? Glass bottles, porcelain plates, or maybe the mug's modern rival, stainless steel tumblers? Drop your suggestion in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, behind every sip, there's a story worth telling.